Hi, welcome. So this video is going to go over the probability of 0 and probability of 1. So just a quick reminder, probability of 0, let me use red. So probability of 0 means something will not happen. It cannot happen, it won't happen. So for example, if I say that's the probability of 0, it means it won't happen no matter what. Probability of 1 represents the opposite, and we'll discuss that in a little bit. Anyways, 0 is just another way to say 0%. Or like we said, it's just 0. So let's go ahead and talk about the probability of 1. So the probability of 1, that's something that's definitely going to happen. 1 represents basically 100%. And for both 0 and 1, you cannot exceed those limits. Those are limits that bound you in probability. So you cannot be more than 100%. You cannot be below 0%. Anyways, I want to kind of go over. Let's see. I want to go over some problems with you guys. So let me go to one of our example problems. Let's see if it loads. All right. So here's one of our famous examples, which is, what is the probability of the grass in the picture turning orange if you say hocus pocus? So while you are reading this again, and I want you to read this again actually, I want you to think about what the question is asking you. Okay. Go ahead and respond. What is the question asking you? All right. I hope you were able to respond that it's asking you what is the probability that the grass will turn orange when you say hocus pocus. So let's look at the grass and say hocus pocus. All right. From what we saw, the image did not turn orange at all. It is definitely a probability of 0. It did not happen. It's impossible for it to happen. Let's now look at an example where something will happen. Okay, let's go ahead and read this example. So, what is the probability that the grass in the picture will remain green if you say hocus pocus? All right, go ahead and reread it. All right, after you read the passage, I want you to think about what is this asking you to find? Okay, go ahead and respond. All right, I hope you were able to respond that it's basically asking you to find the probability that the grass will remain green once you say hocus pocus. So let's look at the image. Hocus pocus. Yeah, no matter how many times you say hocus pocus, it basically always happens. So the probability of this remaining green is definitely 1. There's different types of scenarios, and I know it could get more difficult as the scenario changes, but I hope that emphasizes that probability of 0 just means something cannot happen, and probability of 1 means it will happen. That kind of summarizes a little bit of the beginning of our class, and hopefully you got a good overview of it. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.